Good morning, children. How are you all? Are you fine and safe? Very good. So, today we are going to learn a new lesson about letter N. Okay? Are you all ready? Yes, very good. Yes, children. What letter can you see on the panel? It is letter N. Uppercase N and lowercase n. This is uppercase N and lowercase n, right? And what is the sound of letter N, children? Yes, it is N. N is the sound of letter N. And let us see few words that start with letter N. See here, children. What is this? Every morning it comes to your home, right? It is newspaper. Newspaper. And how many of you read newspaper? At least a small bit, okay? You have to have a practice, children, okay? So whenever you get newspaper, you please open and try to read at least a small bit or few words from that. It is a very good practice, children. So keep reading newspaper every day. And see, what are these? Nuts. Nuts. Okay, your badam, pista, almonds, cashew, all these comes under nuts. So having few nuts every day keeps you very healthy. Okay, so instead of eating biscuits or chocolates as your snacks, you try to have a habit of having nuts. And see this, children, it is nose. Nose, right? It is one of your body part which takes air inside and releases the air outside. That is nose. And who is she? She is a nurse. 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 Okay? Nurse is a person who helps the doctors. Okay? She is a helping hand for a doctor. And see, this is nest. Nest. It is a house for birds. If you observe big trees or where there is a bushy trees, you can find nests. And there is a sentence by using all those words. Let us see. The nurse kept the nuts and newspaper on her nose. Is it possible? You can try. Okay. So the nurse kept. What did she keep? She kept nuts and newspaper on her nose. Try making these kind of sentences by using some words that start with letter N. And shall we see another set of new words, children? Yes. Night. Night. So night is a evening time. After evening you get night where there is a dark around you and we go to sleep during night time. Needle. Needle. Needle is a tool to stitch our clothes. Neck. Neck. Never. Never. That never comes. That will not happen. Okay? Then you can use the word never. Nice. Okay? Nice. So these are the words that start with letter N. I will repeat one more time for you. Night. Needle. Neck. Never. Nice. So keep reading these words from your book. Children, Okay, you have to have a practice of reading every day. Right, are you ready for the rhyme, children? Yes, it's an aeroplane rhyme. And when there is an aeroplane going in the sky, do you hear any noise? Yes, lots of noise, right? Noise starts with letter N, noise. Okay, now ready for the rhyme. Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise. One more time. Yes. Hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, hear the aeroplane, making lots of noise, making lots of noise. Okay, children, you do these kind of activities and sing the rhyme. Okay? Yes. Now we will move on to writing. Right, children, I am ready with the 4-rule book and it is time for writing. Yes, the first word that we are going to learn is net. Net. Okay, so you need not to divide into any syllables but just identify the sounds. Net. N, A, T. Net. The first sound is N, right? So which letter sounds N? It is N. And the second sound is A. Which letter sounds A? It is E. And the last sound is T. T sounds T. So we should write N-E-T to make the word net. And the second new word that we are going to learn is nut. Nut. Okay, the sounds included are N, A, T. Like in the previous word, the first sound and the last sound is same. Only the middle sound is A. So you have to replace E with U to make the word nut. N, U, T. Nut. N, A, T. Nut. Next new word is nest. Nest. What are the sounds included here, children? N, A, S, T. Right? So, what is the first sound? N. Which letter sounds N? It is N. And the second sound is A. Ne. Which letter sounds A? It is E. Write E. And the third sound is S. S sounds S. And the last sound is T. T sounds T. So this becomes nest. Nest. And the last word is nose. Okay, nose. So what are the sounds included, children? Na or S. Right? So first we need to write N to write the sound N. And to write O sound, we should write O. And the third sound is S. So write S. And here there is a silent letter, children, which is E. So you should remember this. Writing E when you are writing nose spelling. Okay. By now we completed the words writing with the phonetic sounds. So let us read once. Net, nut, nest, nose, net, nut, nest, nose. Okay, children? Right. So we have understood how to write the words by using phonetic sounds, and you please keep reading and practice writing the other words by using the sounds. Now let us move on to activity. Yes, children, are you ready for the activity that starts with letter N? Right. what we need? I will tell you. You need a paper with letter N. Okay? And few paper strips which are in light yellow or brown is fine. Okay? And few oval shapes. Okay children? Few oval shapes. Can you see a oval shape like this? Okay. So we need 3 or 4. So let us see what we are going to do with these requirements. Are you ready? Yes. Yes children, we are ready with the requirements. Okay. Now follow me what I am going to do. So first take glue and apply in the center of the letter N like this. Okay. Now on top of it start pasting the strips like a nest. So when bird is making its nest, it will collect the sticks, right? Small sticks, leaves, and it builds its own house. So we are also trying to do that. So wherever there is a gum, you can paste strips like this. It need not to be in order, children. You can paste wherever there is a space and outline can be like a nest. Right. So this is how we pasted and made the shape of nest. And now in the nest there are some eggs. So let us paste the eggs. So these oval shapes are for eggs. Right children, we are done with the activity. So this is nest. So we did an activity on letter N, nest. Okay, did you like it? Right. So you also keep doing these kind of activities. Yes children, this is the end product of our hands-on activity. On letter N, there is a nest. Did you like it? Yes. Now we have come to an end of the session. Let us have a recap of what we did throughout the session. Okay children? So first we identified letter N and understood the sound of the letter, and we have seen some new words that start with letter N, and we have learnt a rhyme. Then we went into writing and finally we did an activity. Right? Yes. So hope you are following all these steps for all the letters. Are you reading? Yes, and writing. So you should keep reading and writing children. I am going to see you in the next class. Bye bye.